So hello friends, welcome back to a new video, and in this video we are going to see about Python sets. So let's start the tutorial. So we are going to take the reference as usual from WP school. Okay, so let us check how you can make your list sets, sorry, not list. So I will make a file in settude.py. So this is the file ready. VS Code, I made it ready for us. So now the syntax of making a set is very much simple. You have to create a variable. Okay, so now my variable is created. Now you can to create a set you have to add curly braces. Okay, so curly braces makes the variable as a set. Okay, if we now print the type of var1, print type var1. So we got a dictionary because dictionary syntax is same. And now if we write any value such like, we'll give Lalit, some numbers 80. Okay, so now I hope we will get set. Okay, we got set. Once more set. Okay, so class set, now it is a set. So now this is the syntax of creating a set. Okay, so now here they have given set are used to store multiple items in a single variable. Okay, so there are more built-in data types, just like in Python, list, tuple, dictionary, and one is set. So here they have given a set is a collection which is unordered, unchangeable, and unindexed. Okay, so a note, they have given a note too. Set items are unchangeable, but you can remove item and add new items. Okay, so this is how you can print a set. So now we will add more values to it, like some true. Wait a second. Yes, so true, some floating point numbers. So now we got our set. So here you can see it's unordered. Okay, if we print in order, we shall get first Lalit 889 true and then 7.4. Okay, so but here we have got unordered way, so they will give this a random because it's unordered. Sets are unordered, they are mentioned here too. So you can change this value. So suppose now you have to add one more data type. Okay, so now we will add boy's name. Wait 1 second, I will delete this all, and then we shall check about the more functions. Okay, so now there is a class. Okay, so we will give class room. Okay, so this is our classroom variable, and in this we create a set. Okay, and here there are students. So Lalit is one student, so we'll give Rahul is one student, Daksh is one student, Adesh, and this all. Okay, so now there is a one more new student have come. So the student's name is Prakash. Okay, Prakash. So now we have to add in our classroom variable, in our classroom database, one new student have came named Prakash. So how you can do in sets. Okay, basically we not use sets in this type of work, so but I am giving you an example. So in sets you have to use a function named .add function. Okay, so now we will use a function named .add. So I make comment here, add function. I will comment, and then we are going to use how you can use is simple. You have to type your set name. So my set name is classroom dot add. Okay, so now you have to use round brackets. Then inside of this you have to type the data what you have to add in this. So you have to add Prakash. So Prakash. So now if you print classroom, and here one time I will print. So then you can see the difference what the add function is doing. So now you can see over here. Now there is the before value what we had here, and now we have got added Prakash. Okay, so code will be given in the description as below as before. So there is a one more function named dot add function. Okay, no, not add dot remove function. Okay, so dot remove. Once again I will add remove function, remove, and I will comment this little nice clean look we will give this. So dot remove. Now Rahul is been leaving the class. Okay, so now how you can remove the data of Rahul from your set is simple. You have to that only method. You have to add the set name and then dot remove. Okay, and now here you have to type the value as same, because if Python is case sensitive. So add Rahul, and then if we run, see the value is same. Okay, because now before there was Rahul and now there is no Rahul. Okay, so this is a very awesome function. So there is a constructor of set. Okay, so set here and see. So how you can use this simple. So first I will comment this all. So here you have a list. Okay, no, not list, we will give a tuple, tup. Okay, tuple, and then equal to, we will create a tuple over here and we will add some values. Orange. Fruits we will add apple, grapes. Okay, so now suppose you have a tuple, we can't change its value. So we can change the value of tuple using first we will make it into a set, and then we can use the add function, and then we can make it. Okay, so to make this a tuple, you have to do something here. So see, they have given this is a set, and they have given this all. So here we will not print, we will see the type. I will not write it again and again, so you know. So now if you check this type, it is a set. Okay, so if we remove the constructor, okay, so if we remove the constructor, set constructor, and then we print this type, it's a tuple. Okay, so you can change any value. So now we will use that set constructor, and then now we will print. No, now we will do something like add. So dot add. Let's check that works or not. We'll add what we can add, watermelon. Okay, watermelon. So now if we print up, so we got here watermelon add, because we changed from tuple to a set, and then we added watermelon. Okay, so this is very important. And now we can change its value again to what we can do is this thing I will keep on you. This thing you should only understand and do. Okay, so let us check next. SS set items. So this is about the loops, for loops. So next in after 2 videos we shall get the for loop and while loop tutorial. It will come soon, don't take tension about it. How to remove that also I said. Loop sets, it's easy. Okay, so there is a function there you can make two tuples, not tuple, two sets together. Okay, so let's first uncomment this, and now we will create a one more and comment this all. So we now have only our this classroom function, and we are printing classroom. So one time we'll print it. Okay, so there are the students. So now there is a class. Okay, so classroom, not make classroom, and this is A division. I will mention here A division and classroom B. Okay, so this is a new variable. So now we will make a set, and in this class B students are there. So class B, there will girls Disha will give something like, wait, let me check my comments. There will be something. Okay, we will not do that. We will see. We'll give what we can give. Okay, Swara. So confusing. And one boy also we will give. Mahesh. Okay. So not too much. My head is working. So now there is a class. Next, now this is about now they are in 6th class. Okay, 6th class students. Okay, so now they have been promoted to, means now not promoted, now they have gone in the next class, that is 7th class. So 7th class arrangement is different. 2 classrooms will be together. Okay, so now we have to add these 2 classrooms together. So we can't make classroom and then we will add all this. There is a function that is, first we have to create a variable. Okay, so this will be easier. So new year. Okay, new year equals, and then we will add these 2. Here they have given the syntax 2. Okay, so set we will give class room A dot union round brackets, and then here you have to give the other class name. Okay, so you may have been understood what I am telling. So now if we print new years, I will comment this or I will delete this. Okay, so now we got the 2 classes together. Okay, so this was about the sets. I hope you may have liked this video, and if you like, then comment, share this video, and follow me on my Instagram. So bye friends.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad, shit on my shoulder, cause they treat me like an outcast.